guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tessa and I'm getting my septum done today and I am shitting myself. It is currently raining outside and
really badly.
Yeah, it's like that. But there's the tattoo shop there. It's at the Jolly Octopus where I get my other tattoos done. Yeah. And Tessa's getting a tattoo there in 2 days, so it's exciting. And I'm shitting my pants.
2 days.
Nah.
Nah, it's next Wednesday. It's not this Wednesday.
I thought it was the Wednesday that I was moving house.
It's the 6th.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm getting my septum done and shitting my pants. My eyes are watering and
She's terrified.
I'm terrified. But it's just this little bit here. So the septum is this part here. I'm gonna get it done and just hopefully no boogers come out.
Hopefully she doesn't look like a ball.
A ball? Like, it sound like you said ball, but it's like a ball. Like,
yeah,
fucking like. Alright, we'll see you in there.
Hello, I'm Steve. I'm the owner and head piercer at the Jolly Octopus, Tattoos and Piercings, and I'm going to be piercing Cerise's septum today.
Right, having an absolute panic. I know it's fine, but my brain's not.
He's had so many holes in my face.
Yeah.
It's never fucking
That's good.
So,
What do you want in your septum?
I don't know. I haven't thought that far. I'm just like, I just want a hole in there. Well, what jewelry do you have, I guess?
Well, depends on, well, the main three are a ring, a horseshoe, or a ring, a horseshoe, or a septum retainer, which kind of looks like a staple. Well, septum retainers are for people who are going to get in a lot of trouble if they show up with a septum piercing.
Okay,
So
yeah.
it's meant to just flip up and
Yeah.
you pull it down when just a little bit when you want to show off. Horseshoes, you'll see them more often.
the ones with the balls on the end?
Yeah, the two balls.
Yeah, because you hook that into your face too, eh?
Yeah, you can flip them up when you need to, and when you flip them down, it still looks like you're meant to do that. For people who won't get in as much trouble.
Yeah.
And for people who are just like, you know what, fuck it. Stick a ring.
Yeah.
And then they have a ring there and it doesn't flip up at all because
Yeah.
it's a ring.
What's better for healing? Because I want to actually put a ring in, but is it better for the round ones so you can twist it round easy? You know what I mean? Like, you know, you gotta twist like
It's
shit.
gonna be okay either
Yeah.
way.
I'm so scared. What one do you think, Tessa?
I reckon ring.
The ring?
Yeah.
I kind of want the like one with the ones down there because then I can be a ball. Then I'm like Bellathorn. Bellathorn has your one.
Definite ball right there.
Yeah. I don't know. What do you guys reckon?
I reckon it's your face and
Yeah, it's my face.
that the whole point of body piercing and tattooing and all this stuff is to customize you. To make you look the way you want to look, not the way you were born.
Yeah.
and
I feel like a ring's better to put in, but then I kind of want the... Tessa, you decide. The ring or the ball bit? The ball one. The little balls.
I reckon a ring, but it's up to you.
I'm
Might
sorry.
show it.
Yeah, show me. That might be better. See, Hazel, you got my back.
Yeah, like visible enough.
rings are more like that.
Okay.
So,
I think maybe the horseshoe one.
Okay.
I feel like it would suit you the
Yeah.
most out of the three.
Yeah.
And
Wait, what are you doing now? She got to tell me before you put it in. So I can close my eyes. Sorry, I didn't mean it like that.
title of your sex tape. That's gonna end up on YouTube.
Yeah, it's gonna be viral.
Good old Brooklyn Nine-Nine.
99!
Oh my god, don't breathe that, oh my god.
Now, please keep your foundation off the other
Yes,
side of your
I just want to
nose.
look nice for the video.
You're good. So, yeah, we're out there.
I'm like, you gotta tell me so I can close my eyes.
Okay.
Don't just do it in front of me and cry.
Ah.
I suppose you can mark this one. Yeah.
Not
Just do
really.
it by side.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Stick that little fellow way up there.
I hope I don't sneeze.
Justed.
It's a really good look.
Yeah, I think you should keep that.
This is my new super
Laundry
tasty
peg on the nose.
What, are you gonna do it now?
I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Just relax.
Okay.
Deep breaths.
1, 2, 3. Justin Bieber.
Oh!
Okay, that was.
See?
You did the hard
So
bit.
bad. There you go. Hard bit done.
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
No.
Ow.
Yeah, I know. That's so much fun.
I feel like I'm on a sneeze.
You probably are.
Yeah.
And
It's tears.
now is the part where I get you to lie down a bit
Okay.
because I don't want to drop this ball.
Please don't rub it into my nose and breathe it in. Yeah.
Actually, I have one here on the table. Just that.
Oh, there you go. Unprepared.
Do one of those cool dissolves that's like 25 minutes later. Almost got it.
3 years later.
Like the SpongeBob.
Change the color of the hair a couple times. Yeah. We're gonna change that in post. All right, you have got a very cute piercing. And
Okay, thank you.
okay, sit up for us because it's all weird because you're laying down. But so make sure I got it looking nice. Oh, I do like that. She has a very cute septum piercing.
Oh, that wasn't as bad as I thought.
Good job.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thanks, it was great to pierce you. Bye, Cerise. Bye.
Bye! Might fade out. Yay, so I got it done. I think it looks cute. Like, I feel like, do I look like Bella Thorne? Like, you know who Bella Thorne is, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, because she's got her one, so I'm like,
I feel like you look better.
oh gosh, yay!
Because
Yeah,
you're
girl.
meant to hear like from the side though. Like
Yeah.
your nose is massive.
I'm like, let's get a close up. We wiped all my makeup off so you can see all my pores. Oh, dear girl. Alright, well, yeah, thanks Tessa for videoing it for me, and thanks for being on my channel. And if you guys want to see anything else from Tessa, if you guys want a video of her fucking singing, because I need to put that shit on YouTube, hey.
Nah.
Alright guys, bye!
Bye.
Oh god. Oh. Mike, can you focus on us? Focus on me. Oh, I need that lady to go, but she's throwing me off. I'll do it as 10-second thing anyway.
That won't.
Oh fuck. Okay. It's like fucking KFC in here. Yay, so I got it done! Oh my god, it's not focusing. Just joking. That real fucking hurt.